Every year, Los Angeles faces a fiery crisis that leaves destruction and despair in its wake. But what if the very same force that drives innovation in Silicon Valley could also help us fight these deadly infernos? Can technology be the hero we desperately need?
Wildfires in LA are not just natural disasters, they're a product of a changing climate, urban expansion, and dry conditions that turn our hillsides into tinderboxes. But let's break it down. What makes these fires so frequent and destructive?
Higher temperatures, prolonged droughts, and human activity are the key factors. Combine these with strong Santa Ana winds, and you've got a recipe for disaster.
Now let's explore the cutting-edge tools designed to combat this fiery menace. From AI to drones, technology is rewriting the rules of wildfire management.
Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing early wildfire detection. Systems like NASA's FIRMS use satellites to spot thermal anomalies in real time. This gives firefighters a crucial head start.
Imagine knowing where a fire will break out hours before it starts spreading. That's the power of predictive technology.
Drones equipped with thermal cameras and sensors provide real-time data on fire size, location, and spread. They go where it's too dangerous for humans.
Firefighting robots like Thermite are now joining the front lines. They can withstand extreme heat and help extinguish fires in hazardous zones. These technologies aren't just concepts, they're already making a difference.
In the aftermath of the devastating Paradise Fire, AI and drones were used to assess damage and prioritize rebuilding efforts. This saved months of manual labor. In LA, drones are now assisting in controlled burns, a preventative measure to clear flammable vegetation and reduce wildfire risks.
But let's be honest, no solution is without its challenges.
High costs, technological limitations, and the need for widespread adoption are hurdles that must be overcome.
Wildfires in LA don't have to spell doom. Technology is our ally, but it's up to all of us to support these advancements and push for sustainable practices. Share this video, spread awareness, and let's work together to protect our future.